Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Defza-6 Tablet. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Wallace Pharmaceuticals Private Ltd. Defza-6 Tablet. Uses. Defza-6 Tablet is mainly used to treat inflammatory and autoimmune conditions. This includes issues like arthritis, asthma, ulcerative colitis, and more. Benefits. Let's talk about the benefits. Defza-6 provides relief from swelling, pain, and other symptoms in conditions like arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, eczema, and psoriasis. It works by reducing the body's inflammatory response and calming down the overactive immune system. Side effects. Like most medicines, Defza-6 cause some side effects. Common ones include increased appetite, weight gain, and upper respiratory infections. Rare effects include Cushing's syndrome and abnormal hair growth. If side effects worsen, consult your doctor promptly. How to use. Take Defza-6 exactly as directed by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole, with or without food, but preferably at the same time daily. Avoid taking it with raw vegetables or salad-based diets, as it might affect absorption. How it works. Defza-6 Tablet belongs to a class called corticosteroids. It works by increasing the level of glucocorticoids in the body, which helps reduce inflammation and suppress harmful immune responses, especially useful in autoimmune conditions and organ transplant cases.